Hello everyone, welcome to Java with MNK. Let's build better, grow together. Let's begin our Java journey. Have you ever wondered how mobile apps, websites, or even games work behind the scenes? Well, today I'll introduce you to that language that powers all of this. That is the language called Java. So, what is Java? Java is a programming language created in 1995 by Sun Microsystems, and from then it's everywhere. It is used to build Android apps, websites, and even enterprise level software. But why Java is so powerful? Java is platform independent. That means you write the code on one platform, example it can be Windows, and run it on another platform, it can be Mac or Linux, without making any change. It works. Java is called as the right ones, run anywhere. Second point is Java is versatile. It is used to build games, backend systems, and mobile apps. Java is beginners friendly, which has large community for support. In short, if you learn Java, you unlock the endless possibilities in the world of programming. Next step is to set up your environment. Before we write our Java programs, we need to set up the tools. Think of it like getting your toolkit ready before you start any project. Here is how we do it in step-by-step process. The first thing is we need to install a Java development kit, that is JDK. The second thing is we have to install IntelliJ IDEA, that will be our IDE. Let me show you how to do that. Okay, let's open up the browser. Once you open the browser, just search for Java download for Windows. Go to Java download this oracle.com. Scroll down and use the LTS version, the long-term support 21. I go here. I'm using Windows machine, so I'll use the 64-bit installer. Just click on it. It will take few seconds to download. Meanwhile, let it download. Go to another tab, download IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. Click on the first link you see. It's open up. This IDEA is the paid version of IntelliJ IDEA. If you scroll down, you will have the Community Edition. Just click on download. I think the download is completed. Just go to the folder. It will be downloaded to your downloads. Just double click on the installer. Just click say yes. Next, it will be saved to your programming files 21 folder. Then it is successfully installed. To just verify whether it is installed correctly or not, just open up the command prompt, search for java hyphen version super 21 byte installed. Good with the installation of Java. Double click on idea. Next, it is stored in your program files. You can have the screenshot added. You can add the bin to path. That's it. Click on next, install. If you want to, you can repeat now, or I want to repeat manually later. Just click on finish. Now that we have set up everything, let's write our first program. To do that, we have to open our IDEA. So let me open that. It will take few seconds to load. Okay, this is the home page. It will look like. Click on the new project and you can name the project Learning Java, and you can give any location in your system. I'll select F drive workplace. Just and it automatically detected our Java 21 version which was installed here. Just click on create. That's it. Your project is created, and by default a class is generated. You can close this. You can close this. We'll do it from fresh. Let's create our first Java class. To do that, just right click on the src folder, click on new, click on Java class, give the name of the class hello world. Just enter. Your class is created. Java requires at least one class in a program. As Java is a class-based and object-oriented programming language, every piece of executable code in the Java must reside inside a class. That's why we have created a public class hello world. Inside this, let's create a main method public static void main. To do that in IntelliJ, we can use this shortcut PSVM that stands for public static void main. Just write PSVM and hit tab. So this will be autocomplete. So we'll go in details like what are these things. Basically, main is the entry point of your program. So that is where the program execution starts. So inside this body, method body, we'll write sout. Sout stands for system.out.println. You can write sout and hit tab. So this will be autocomplete. And inside it, you can have some text which you want to print. Hello world from Java with MNK. To run the program, we can do it many ways, but you can use this play button. You can just click on that and click on run. So this will run your program. So yeah, your program is executed. Hello world from Java with MNK. You can do it with the keyboard shortcut, that is Control Shift F10. It reruns your program. That's it. Congratulations, we have written our first program, and in the next videos, we're gonna talk in depth about what's happening behind the scene, how this code is getting executed, and all, and we're gonna learn about Java Virtual Machine as well. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching Java with MNK. Until next time, keep exploring and keep coding.